We have next example. We have quadratic inequality. Let me copy this example first. I have x squared minus 9 is greater than or equals 0. To solve quadratic inequality, first we have to solve equations x squared minus 9 equals 0. We have to find the roots. So we can factor the left side will be x minus 3 times x plus 3 equals 0. When is this equals 0? When x minus 3 is equal 0 or x plus 3 is equal 0. So x equals 3 or x equals negative 3. We have roots, so we can draw, of course, parabola because we have quadratic inequality. So we have negative 3 and 3. Because the coefficient before x squared is positive, so parabola is open up. And we have to find value when x squared minus 9 is greater or equals 0. So when is greater? Whatever is above x number line will be greater than 0. And because we have sign greater than or equals, it means negative 3 and positive 3 is included. And this part above x line is positive. So now we have to just write interval. We have this part is going to the left side, means going to negative infinity. So we have negative infinity to negative 3, and on the negative 3 you have closed interval plus we start from 3, and of course 3 is included from 3, and it's going to the right side, it means to positive infinity. This is our solution. Now we can verify our answer. So we can choose number from one interval and from the other interval. First, we can choose the number from first interval. For example, x will be equals negative 3. So we will have, let me copy this example. I have x squared minus 9 is greater than or equals 0. I put now negative 3 for x. I have negative 3 to the second power minus 9 is greater than or equals 0. Negative 3 to the second power will be 9. 9 minus 9, I have greater than or equals 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. So we have sign greater than or equals 0 is equal 0. This inequality is true, so this part is correct. Now we can choose the number from the other interval. For example, x equals 10. So let me copy this example. I have x squared minus 9 is greater than or equals 0. I will replace now x by 10, so I have 10 to the second power minus 9 is greater than or equals 0. 10 to the second power is 100 minus 9 is greater than or equals 0. 100 minus 9 is 91 is greater than 0. So this inequality is of course true. So our solution is correct.